I tried those Asian tacos or Shanghai tacos at a Vietnamese restaurant with a friend, and I just fell in love with the flavors and the taste of this amazing taco recipe. The great thing about these Asian tacos is that you can make them with a variety of proteins like crispy fried tofu, chicken or shrimp. Today I'm replicating the same recipe with the crispy tofu and homemade onion parathas for an unforgettable flavor combination. I can tell it tastes almost like the one I had at the restaurant. So let's get started. First, finally chop a bunch of spring onions and set them aside. In a large bowl, mix 2 cups of whole wheat flour or all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee. 2 grated garlic cloves. Slowly add water just enough to knead into a smooth, pliable dough. Cover it with a damp cloth and set it aside for 30 minutes. While the dough is resting, let's prep the tofu. Press the tofu with kitchen tissue to remove all the moisture. Then cut it into even rectangles. Now, in a separate bowl, combine 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, salt to taste, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add enough water to make a smooth batter. Dip each tofu cube into the batter, then coat it in breadcrumbs. Place them in a refrigerator for about 30 minutes to set. While the tofu chills, let's work on the sauces. For the chili garlic mayonnaise, mix 1/3 cup of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 2 grated garlic cloves. You can taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. For the hoisin sauce topping, simply mix 1/4 cup hoisin sauce with 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. Now we are all set to start assembling. Once the dough has rested, knead it again. Then divide it into 8 portions and roll each into a smooth ball. Flatten each ball, dust it with dry flour and roll it out into a thin disc. To make those gorgeous layers, spread a little ghee or oil over the rolled disc, sprinkle on the chopped spring onions and a bit of dry flour. Then fold the paratha from one side, fold it again from the other side to overlap it. Dust it with some dry flour, re-roll it out slightly to stretch. Now start rolling from one end and fold it into a log. Bring both the ends together, pinch them, make a small slit at the top, and flatten gently with your palms. Roll it out into a 3-4 inch circle and repeat with the rest of the dough. Now heat a skillet over medium heat. Once it's hot, place a paratha in the skillet. Cook it for about 1 minute or until you see brown spots on the bottom. Flip it over, drizzle with oil or ghee, cook for another minute, flip it again. Add more oil or ghee and cook until it's golden and flaky. Repeat with the remaining parathas. Back to the tofu. Heat oil in a pan. Once it's hot, fry the tofu pieces until crispy and golden. Drain them on paper towels. Fry all the tofu pieces until they are perfectly crispy. It's time to assemble. Place a warm onion paratha on a plate. Spread a layer of spicy chili garlic mayonnaise, fresh lettuce and carrot juliennes. Pile on the crispy tofu and drizzle with that savory hoisin sauce. Top it off with seed sprouts, spring onion greens, fresh cilantro, sesame seeds, and a few slices of fresh red chili. Squeeze some lemon or lime juice over the tacos and serve them up while they're warm. And there you have it, crispy tofu tacos with onion paratha. A hearty, flavorful dish that's sure to satisfy any cravings. Enjoy this vibrant and vegetarian treat with family or friends, and don't forget to share your creations with me. Happy cooking! See you next time!